Hi, this is Voss here from the Chris Voss Show.com. Hey, coming here with another cool product. This is from Nixplay at Nixplay.com. You can check it out. It's the Nixplay Iris Wi-Fi Cloud Frame. This thing is a beautiful, beautiful digital frame that uses Wi-Fi to go ahead and give you cutting-edge technology to bring your photos to you and your loved ones, share across frames using an app you can find on Google Play or the Apple Store. You can find stuff there, and it's got beautiful, stunning photos that we'll take and make for you and share on your screen there with high-resolution IPS display. It's pretty much got an all-in-one feature. You can share photos from your Facebook, your Google Photos, your Instagram, your Dropbox, your Flickr, mobile apps, and emails. And of course, you have the apps readily available. You can do that as well. You can upload all your photos from computer or tablet and access your social media platforms. It has a playlist feature where you can take and create playlists of all your favorite moments and pass them through. You can share it with friends, family, etc., etc. You can view and manage just playlist settings for the photos you want to send to your family. The Nixplay Cloud is also there. It's a safe and secure, free 10 gigabytes of cloud storage and the ability to connect up to 5 frames at once. So you can buy multiple frames, different versions of the frames, get them all work together. That works great. And it's got different settings. You can control a variety of frame settings to suit your preferences. You can shuffle photos, display, most recent, photo transitions, and clock. What's really cool is it has its own built-in stand based in the cord where it's a firm, slim stand, and you can adjust it to how you want to take and do it. You can either do portrait or landscape. That's always good for you. You can make it so that it will sense sounds and know when to turn on and off and doesn't have to be running all the time. Super, super impressed with this product. We've reviewed this a number of times over the years from Nixplay. These guys just keep getting better and better at what they do with frames. Be sure to see our other reviews of our Nixplay